In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add profiles in Prestashop. Let's dive right in and guide you step by step through the process. Start by navigating to your Prestashop homepage. This is your central hub where you'll manage many of your store's operations. It's important to familiarize yourself with this layout, as it's the starting point for most tasks you'll perform. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and locate your profile icon. This icon acts as a gateway to your account settings and other personal configurations. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. From the list of options presented, select Your Profile. This will take you to a section dedicated to the management of your personal information and settings associated with your account. Next, you need to look for the Profiles option. This section is crucial as it allows you to manage the different roles and permissions within your shop. Click on Profiles, and here you'll be able to either edit existing profiles or create new ones. To add a new profile, simply click on the button that says plus Add New Profile. This action will open up a form where you'll begin to input details for this new profile. Enter the name of the new profile you want to create. It's essential to choose a name that clearly reflects the role or function of the profile. This will help you and any other administrators easily recognize its purpose in the future. Additionally, it's a good idea to personalize this profile by uploading an avatar. Doing so can help in visually distinguishing between profiles, especially if you are managing a team. Click on the Browse option next to the Avatar section, allowing you to select a picture from your device that represents the user or role associated with this profile. Once you're satisfied with all the configurations you've made, don't forget to click on the Save button. Saving ensures that all your input is stored effectively and the profile becomes active within your Prestashop environment. This final step is crucial as it confirms all the details you've entered, making the profile ready for use. And that's it. You've successfully added a new profile to your Prestashop account. Remember, having well-defined profiles can greatly enhance your store's operations by ensuring that all team members have the appropriate level of access to perform their tasks efficiently. With these profiles in place, you can manage your team more effectively and streamline your workflows. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in efficiently managing your Prestashop store. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.